Hello, let us discuss one of the most important events of Indian freedom movement, that is Home Rule movement. The Indian Home Rule movement was a movement in British India on the lines of Irish Home Rule movement and other Home Rule movement. The movement lasted around 2 years between 1916 to 1918 and is believed to have set the stage for the independence movement under the leadership of Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak to the educated English-speaking upper-class Indians. In 1921, All India Home Rule League changed its name to Swarajya Sabha. 5 red and 4 green horizontal stripes on the upper left quadrant was the Union flag, which signified the dominion status that the movement sought to achieve. A crescent and a 7-pointed star, both in white, are set in top flag. 7 white stars are arranged as in the Saptarshi constellation, the constellation Ursa Major, which is sacred to Hindus. The background of Home Rule movement in India is that the Home Rule movement began in India in the background of the World War I. The Government of India Act 1919 failed to satisfy the demands of the national leaders. But however, the split in the Congress and the absence of the leaders like Tilak, who was imprisoned in Mandalay, meant that nationalistic response was stifled. By 1915, many factors set the stage for a new phase of nationalist movement. The rise in nature of Annie Besant, who was of part Irish origin and a firm supporter of Irish Home Rule movement. The return of Tilak from exile and the growing calls for solving the split in Congress began to steer the political scene in India. The Ghadar mutiny and its suppression led to an atmosphere of resentment against British rule. In context of World War I, most Indians and Indian political leaders had been divided in their response to World War I, and the Indian soldiers fighting on behalf of the British Empire against Germany, the Austro-Hungarian Empire and the Ottoman Empire. The latter's involvement irked India's Muslims, who saw the Sultan as the Caliph of Islam. Many Indian revolutionaries opposed the war, while moderates and liberals backed the war. The issue divided India's political classes and left the increasing demand for self-government going nowhere. Annie Besant, however, declared, England's need is India's opportunity. As editor of the New India newspaper, she attacked the colonial government of India and called for clear and decisive moves towards self-rule. As with Ireland, the government refused to discuss any changes while the war lasted. This set the stage for the movement. Between 1916 to 1918, when the war was beginning, prominent Indian like Joseph Baptista, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, G.S. Kapade, Sir S. Subramania Iyer, Satyendra Nath Bose, and the leader of the Theosophical Society, Annie Besant, decided to organize a national alliance of leagues across India, specifically to demand home rule or self-government within the British Empire for all of India. Tilak founded the first Home Rule League at the Bombay Provincial Congress at Belgaum in April 1960. Then after this, Annie Besant founded second league at Adyar, Madras in September 1960. While Tilak's league worked in areas like Maharashtra, excluding Bombay city, that is Karnataka, central provinces and Berar. Annie Besanta's league worked in the rest of India. The movement created considerable excitement at the time and attracted many members of the Indian National Congress and the All India Muslim League, who had been allied since the 1916 Lucknow Pact. The leaders of the league gave fair speeches and petitions with hundreds of thousands of Indians as signatories were submitted to British authorities. Unification of moderates and radicals as well as unity between Muslim League and Indian National Congress was a remarkable achievement of Annie Besant. The government arrested Annie Besant in 1917, and this led to nationwide protests. The movement actually spread out and made its impact in the interior villages of India. Many moderate leaders like Muhammad Ali Jinnah joined the movement. The league spread political awareness in new areas like Sindh, Punjab, Gujarat, United Provinces, Central Provinces, Bihar, Orissa and Madras, which all showed an active political movement. The pressure of the movement, especially after Annie Besanta's arrest, led to the Montagu's Declaration on 20th August 1917, which stated that progressive realization of responsible government in India was the policy of the British government. During this time, various meetings were held in Nellore, Kurnool, Bellary, Kadapa, Kakinada, Rajahmundry and Visakhapatnam. In Kurnool, a prominent leader, Raja Sir P.V. Madhavrao Panyam, had supported the Home Rule League. The speech given by him in a meeting held in Kurnool is highlighted, here in which he thrust the British government, saying the book of bureaucracy has failed to understand the needs of the people and the requirements of time. Later, after the completion of meetings in Madras Presidency, many prominent leaders gave support to the League under the leadership of Annie Besant. The movement was also left leaderless once Tilak left for England to pursue a liberal case he had filed, and Annie Besant was largely satisfied by the promise of reforms. Its further growth and activity were stalled by the rise of Mahatma Gandhi and his Satyagraha, art of revolution, non-violent but mass-based civil disobedience. Gandhi's Hindu lifestyle, mannerisms, and immense respect for Indian culture and the common people of India made him immensely popular with India's common people. His victories in leading the farmers of Champaran, Bihar, and Kheda, Gujarat, again set the British authorities on tax revolts, made him a national hero. After the Montagu Declaration, The League agreed to suspend its expansion of the movement. After this, the all moderate candidate gave up the membership of the League. The League believed that the British government will gradually reform the administration and local representative system by ushering participation of local Indians. Hence, in 1920, the All India Home Rule League elected Mahatma Gandhi as its president. This is some of the ideas of Home Rule movement that was happened in India during First World War and in the second phase of Indian freedom movement. Thank you for listening to me.